large beaker, 2 small beakers, a pair of goggles, 3 pipettes, 2 spoons, 2 specimen sticks, 30 popsicle sticks, 1 mask, 2 food coloring, green and red, 1 dish, 2 gloves, 1 algae bottle. So let's get started.
Warning.
Before you start it, don't do it by yourself. Get grown up. Number 1, put your goggles and your mask. Number 2, put on your gloves. Now we're going to get a group to get started. Take the sodium alternate powder, pour it in the jar. Now I'm going to fill the jar with warm water. Put the top on and shake it.
A few moments later.
Ooh, slimy. Now I'm going to do the calcium chloride. See, 3 milliliters in a pipette. Now for the large beaker, 30 milliliters of water. Now pour all the calcium chloride into the dish carefully. Now we're going to add 15 ml of alginate stock to the small beaker. Use 3 drops of red food coloring. Now get my popsicle stick and stir it. Ooh, it's slimy red. Now take one of my droppers. I'm going to show you how to make fake fish eggs. Look at that, guys. It actually looks like fish eggs. Now, take your spoon, take the fish egg out. If you need help as a grown-up, look, guys, fish eggs. the other beaker and place it into my station. Pour 15 ml sodium alginate. 3 drops of green food coloring. Got it. Now I'm going to mix it. Stir up. Stir, stir, stir. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it really good, guys. Now I'm going to take the dropper and a second, like the red one. Slowly squirt a string of green. Ooh, looks like jelly worms. Do you see jelly worms? I'm going to pick them up and put them into my jar. Ew! This one is gross. Look at that worm, guys. Ew! Ew! That was gross! Alright guys, get my fishes and my jelly worms. Ew. Okay guys, so that's all from KaMya's World. I show you how to make slime, fake fish eggs, and jelly worms. Thanks for stopping by at KaMya's World. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.